I created this course specially for student, IT professionals, and anyone who's eager to learn about cybersecurity regardless of their background. Throughout this course, I made sure to cover all the key aspects and domains of the cybersecurity, giving you a comprehensive understanding of the subject. The course content aligned with the industry standard, ensuring that you will get the knowledge on skill on most relevant in today's landscape. So I have added in the 360-degree angle of this courses will be there. So you will be getting a knowledge on all the domains, on all the aspects as well. In addition to the lessons, you will find the slides, link, and resource material in the resource folder. So please feel free to download that one. To help you to gain hands-on experience, I have included lab exercises that I hope you will find engaging and useful. These practice exercise will allow you to apply what you learned in the real world scenario. If you ever need a clarification or support regarding anything in the course, please don't hesitate to comment below in this comment in the course below the course, or reach out to me directly via Discord or Telegram. I'm providing the link in the resource link as well, so you can reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you. I'm committed to keep this course up to date with the latest cybersecurity trends and practicing. So please be sure to check back for the future any future updates. I truly appreciate your support and I hope you will enjoy the course. If you find it valuable, please feel free to share it with your friends and leave your comment feedback in the comment. Your input will help me to improve the course and make it more accessible to others. Once again, thank you and wish you the very best of luck in your journey to become a cybersecurity expert. Enjoy the course.